This week, I'm going to be unboxing another grab bag, and I will also be showing off this Toys R Us bag that I got today as well. I'm showing off that, and some other DVDs and Blu-rays I'd rather show on other days. Alright, start off with the grab bag first, because there's a lot to talk about with the other stuff. So let's get started and pull something out. Our first one right now is going to be Borat. Okay, it's very hilarious. This is probably gonna be a very funny movie. I hope it is very nice. That's like a scene from the movie, right? I don't know. Very nice. Next up, we got American Pie Beta. Oh, okay. Ignore that. Up, we got Mr. Deeds. Adam Sandler comedy. Okay. I could probably get rid of it. Alright. Anchorman. Alright. Alright. Alright, last one. We got anger management. So far, not too bad. I mean, I got some I could probably get rid of, but you know, something. Move on to the DVDs and Blu-rays. I just want to talk about these little figures I got today as well. Here's one of Michael Myers from Halloween. And this one right here is Jason, which is different than the other one I got. Focus. Just picked this one because it has a better like moving machete than the other one. Okay, and the next one I got is Ash from the Evil Dead series. He's actually very painted very nicely. I think the only thing that's disappointing is probably this chainsaw thing. I've seen somebody online who has like an Ash figure that's kind of cool looking. Actually has this kind of design looking thing, but you know, it's just me. Off with the DVDs and Blu-rays. Up first is Ringo, the film that inspired the remake of The Rings that came out a long time ago. This is the Japanese version of the film. Next up is the animated version of Lord of the Rings. We got Hellraiser film. Probably everybody knows that. Up next is a classic, Creepshow. And last but not least, Death Race 2000. with this very bootleg looking copy. I don't know why I got this version though, but you know, at least I actually get the, at least I'll finally watch this for once. The Blu-rays. Up first, we got The Princess Bride. Slipcover looking thing. Looking cool. Look cool. Is another classic, Labyrinth. This is a special edition from Target and all the other ones you can probably get this from. Booklet that explains a lot of stuff in the making of this movie. Pretty cool. Up next is the original Mummy, starring Boris Karloff. Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, released by the Shout Factory, or Screen Factory, my bad. Double layer cover. You can have this cool looking cover, or you can have the original cover on the back, which is cool. Up next is another film which I never seen, is The Dark Crystal. Another Jim Henson movie. Don't think I ever did see this movie. Is Super Troopers, which I recently watched. I heard the sequel's coming out, so that's why I bought this. This is also this white cover is kind of different. If you take it out, it's actually a different cover in the back. See? Up next is The Breakfast Club. Now this artwork was released a while back, but I was able to get this for a very good deal. And it's Breakfast Club. It's a classic. Everybody knows that, of course. Please, Akira, whatever you pronounce it. This is the last film I bought today. I have not opened this yet, and I have not seen this film yet, but I heard it's very good. So there's that. I got it for a good deal at Best Buy for around like $13, so around that. We'll finish this off with the unboxing of Toys R Us. So I went to Toys R Us because I heard they're going out of business, so I decided to grab some. At first I was gonna grab one toy, but then I decided to grab multiple stuff, and then I almost ran out of cash. So there's that. But I'll show you guys what I bought today. First off, I bought a Thomas the Tank Engine for no reason. I don't know why. I don't think I ever do own a Thomas. Maybe that's most like why. So yeah. Now I have a Thomas. Probably gonna give it to my cousin. No. Next up is Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. I used to be like one of those people who used to buy a lot of these car figure things. I don't really do it anymore, but I decided to buy this one just because. And then there was like a lot of these. There was also that. Next up is another franchise I used to buy a lot, is Playmobil, and they didn't really have that many good ones, so I just bought this hockey player. I think it's Philadelphia something. I forget what these things are. I forget what this team is called. something. So yeah, I have a Philadelphia Flyer. Next up, I bought, and last but not least, I bought 2 pop figures. One is a Street Fighter one, which is a Toys R Us that's only available at Toys R Us for now, and a